Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you set up Roku TV for the first time. In order to set up Roku TV for the first time, you'll need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, what you need to do is you have to connect your TV. So plug the Roku TV or device into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then you need to turn on the TV and select the corresponding input to display the Roku home screen. Then you want to simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Roku device to your Wi-Fi or home Wi-Fi. Once you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is select the language, and now you actually want to go ahead and set up email. So for that, you want to go ahead and enter in the email address. So use your remote control and then enter in the remote as well. So what you need to do is you have to activate your Roku. So sign in into your existing Roku account. Once you are done, you want to link the device by visiting the activation link set to your email or scanning the QR code displayed on your TV. Then you simply want to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. And once activated, you could add streaming channels, customize your home screen, and enjoy your Roku TV. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.